Long well grinder. I think the for the switches. Yeah, we were listening to the radio. I was like, what the hell? I was going from 5 to 4, 5 to 3 to 1. Like, wait, what? Oh, it's these guys. I don't know what the ID for this long well grinder is. So if I understand correctly, they're going west past Weaverton. If I understand correctly.
What is that? Is that some kind of special train or something?
Well grinder.
What, sorry?
It grinds the top of the tracks, make it smoother.
Oh, okay. Huh.
And that's the only baby one though. So.
Oh, yeah? I've never seen one before.
Ah, okay.
That's pretty cool.
Ah, cool.
Oh, thank you.
There you go, sir.
Grinder westbound 5 lead 3 runner number 1 track.
That man.
Get them wheels figured out.
Well, they work, but I don't know where the pin to release them is. I'll meet you at Weaverton.
Shadow.
How about if I meet you at Weaverton, I get on track over there?
Alright, copy.
Okay, roof on.
$1,500 gallons. Wow. Diesel fuel? Wow.
On 94.
Oh, you put that. I'm guessing right now this probably be my last video. Probably. If so, I'll see you guys next time. Until we're ready, 6:50 at night.
Dispatcher Jack, answering over.
Track Foreman Woodring BB, over.
Woodring, go out, over.
Yeah, coming towards Weaverton here on number 1 track. Want to get up 1 track to, I'm going to say probably Hancock. That's where the big grinder, big rail grinder 404 is going to get started. I've got the switch grinder. We're trying to catch up with him over.
So you're just tramming currently, you're not grinding?
Affirmative.
Alright. At what speed does this thing move at?
25.
The switch grinder.
Mile post, over.
536055 at the BA 78.7.
Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys later.